Hello class 1, good morning. So this is your moral science class and I am your moral science teacher. So children, open page number 19, oh, sorry, open page number 18, 1 and 18, okay? And there you will find this above page and let's chapter number 5, that is I listen to my mummy, means your mama. You are a good boy, you are a obedient boy and obedient children. Whenever your mama say you something to do, good thing, you always listen to your mama, okay? Your mummy means your mother. Now let get start set. Okay, let me read this. What is this here? Who would say the following? Write M for mummy and write T for teacher. Okay, who would say the following? This sentence, some sentences are given here and some sentences are said by teacher and some sentences are said by mummy. So you have to guess which sentence is said by teacher and which sentences are said by mummy. Okay, now number 1 is walk up dear. It is time for school. Then at home who will be there? There will be your mummy. Okay, घर में कौन होगा? आपका मम्मी होगा, आपका टीचर नहीं होगा. तो हु इज सेइंग दिस सेंटेंस? योर मम्मी सेइंग दिस सेंटेंस कि बेटा वॉक अप डियर, मीन्स बेटा उठ जाओ, इट इज टाइम फॉर स्कूल. अभी स्कूल के लिए समय हो गए. सो हियर यू हैव टू राइट डाउन मम्मी. ओके, एम फॉर मम्मी यू हैव टू राइट एम, फॉर टीचर यू हैव टू राइट टी. नाउ प्लीज do not make noise in the class. Then who is saying this word, this sentence? This sentence is said by the teacher because the children are making noise in the class. So the teacher is saying this sentence to the children. Okay, so you have to write here T. Now next is please call Papa for dinner. So mama is saying the children कि बेटा go and call Papa for dinner. Okay, Papa in some other room. See, he might be resting after returning from office. So mama she had already prepared the dinner and now she lying the dinner on the table and she is saying that to the children that beta go and call Papa for dinner. Okay, so this is said by mama. M. Now please walk in a line. तो लाइन में चलिए. कौन बोलता है? असेंबली में टीचर बोलते हैं. तो योर टीचर. ओके ओके. नाउ इट वॉज रीनास बर्थडे. अभी रीना का बर्थडे है. तो मम्मी गोट ए केक. मम्मी ने एक क्या लिया? केक खरीदा. फॉर हर, उसके लिए केक खरीदा. मम्मी ने रीना के लिए, उनका बेटी रीना का बर्थडे पार्टी है तो उन्होंने क्या खरीदा? एक केक खरीदा एंड ए बॉक्स ऑफ लड्डूस, और एक बॉक्स में लड्डू खरीदा. तो मम्मी कैन आई ईट ए फ्यू लड्डूस प्लीज़. तो वो बोल रहे कि उसको बहुत मुंह में पानी आ गया, लड्डू खाने का बहुत उसको दिल हुआ. तो उन्होंने कहा कि मम्मी क्या मैं एक लड्डू खा लो, कुछ लड्डू खा लो. तो मम्मी ने कहा येस हैव वन. तो मम्मी ने बोला ठीक है बेटा, आपको इतना दिल है तो आप एक खा सकते हो, यू कैन हैव वन लड्डू. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट रीना हैड वन लड्डू. रीना ने एक लड्डू खाया. देन सी हैड वन मोर लड्डू. देन वन मोर, उसने एक लड्डू खाया, फिर और एक लड्डू खाया, फिर उसको बहुत अच्छा लगा, उसने और एक लड्डू खाया. तो मम्मी ने क्या कहा? रीना प्लीज़ डोंट ईट एनी मोर लड्डूज. बेटा ज़्यादा लड्डू मत खाओ. ओके, दिस लड्डूज आर वेरी टेस्टी, लेट मी हैव ए फ्यू मोर. तो उसने बोला ये लड्डू तो बहुत टेस्टी है, मेरे को और कुछ खाने दीजिए. एनीडा एट 5 लड्डूज, और रीना ने 5 लड्डू और खाया. ए लिटिल लेटर, कुछ देर बाद में, व्हाट हैपेंड रीना? मम्मी बोला क्या बात हुई रीना? तो शी वॉज सफरिंग फ्रॉम, आई टोल्ड यू नॉट टू ईट टू मैनी लड्डूज. मैंने कहा था कि शी वॉज सफरिंग फ्रॉम स्टमक पेन. ओके, उसको क्या हो रही थी, स्टमक में पेनिंग हो रही थी. तो वो उसको पेट दर्द हो रहा था क्योंकि उसने ज़्यादा लड्डू खा लिया था. तो मम्मी ने कहा कि इसलिए मैंने आपको कहा था कि बेटा ज़्यादा लड्डू नहीं खाना. इट विल too much laddu, eating too much laddu is not good for your health and you will suffer from stomach ache. Okay, now I am sorry mama, mummy, now I will always listen to you. तो उसने कहा कि मम्मी, सॉरी मम्मी, मैं अभी क्या करूँगा, हमेशा आपका बातों को आपका कहना मानूंगा. ओके, understand? No, she didn't listen to her mama and she ate 5 laddus. That's why she is suffering from the stomach pain. Okay, now then after that turn over the page. Let's the page number 20. Okay, in page number 20 there is these solutions of chapter number 5. Okay, now work time. Put a tick for what you do. Here are given some pictures and whatever you do, you have to do tick mark and put a cross for what you do not do, or which thing you do not do, you have to put a cross mark. See, observe this picture. Go to bed early. You go to bed early, you do this one because going to bed early is good habit, so you must do this one, tick mark. And then do your homework. You always do your homework, tick mark. Then greet your elders. You whenever you see your elder, you say good morning Dadaji, good morning Dadima, namaste uncle ji, like this, na. So you greet to your elders, tick mark. Then here play with your friends, and you also play with your friends. This one also you do tick mark. And bath every day. You have bath every day because bathing every day is also very good habit. Okay, it keep our body healthy. Now share your things. You share your things with your friend in the school and at home also with your brother and sister, with your siblings. So this one is good habit. So put tick mark. Next one is, now we have finished this one. All activity you have to put tick mark because all are very good habit. Okay, now talk time. Okay, talk to your partner, tell each other. With your friend you have to talk this. You have to discuss this thing. Okay, a few things your mother asks you to do. So you talk with your friend and tell him that my mama tell me to do this thing. Sometimes mama tell me to go to canteen and bring some small things, and my mama tell me to sweep the rooms, like this way. Na, you talk with your friend. Okay, now skill time. This one, circle the thing you can play with. Now there are some things here, and these are actually these are not but okay. So with this thing you can play. Okay, now what is this? This is knife. So with knife you cannot play. Okay, the matchstick. Can you play with matchstick? Sometimes you can play with matchstick. It is very dangerous. Okay, if you lead the matchstick, sometimes it will burn your hands. Okay, then this twice you can play. Okay, so you encircle this one, and with this pills and capsule medicine, you should not play with medicine and capsule. Okay, so and this is what color crayon. Okay, with color you can play. And with scissor we should not play because scissor have sharp that one edge, and sometimes it will hurt us. Okay, so with scissor we should not play. And this is what this is some puzzle. With puzzle we can play. This is, you have to put circle here. Okay, some puzzle, some that one. And this is, what is this is ball with cricket ball and cricket bat. You have to put and circle it. Okay, with the cricket ball and bat you can play with these things. Okay, now children, here we have come to the end of our moral science chapter number 5 lesson. So chapter number 4 and 5 will come in your exam. Okay children, bye children. This one you have to do in your textbook.